Good morning, guys. We are still in La Paz, the highest city in the world, near Lake Titicaca, and now we booked a tour for tomorrow. We're going to Sala de Uyuni, the salty desert, and yeah, the bus is leaving at 8 tonight, and we are driving 9 hours, I think, and then we are arriving in Uyuni and starting the tour at 10 tomorrow. So now we're doing a walking tour through La Paz. I want to see the markets. In the electricity situation in La Paz, it's like this. Yesterday it rained a lot and we are sitting in a cafe and it's like every 10 minutes you have no electricity, everything turned off, and 2 minutes later it turned on again. I can't say why. That's why. Bus and the main bus terminal, going on a bus to Uyuni and driving overnight, and yeah, I know, I hope we get in the bus because we are too late always. Good morning, guys. It is a little early. It's around 5. We arrived in Uyuni, and I don't know, they picked us up. I don't know where we're going. I think in the hostel, taking a shower, maybe another nap, and then the tour starts at 10.